with the new Audi A7 range out in the open, Audi have began testing a replacement for the popular Audi RS7. The first test mule was recently spotted. The wider wheel arches and the oval exhausts give the Audi Sport provenance away. The Audi RS7 Sportback is due to hit the market in late 2018. It is expected to feature an all-new twin-turbocharged V8 powertrain, rated somewhere in the region of 650 horsepower. It is expected to share its powertrain with the new Panamera Turbo and the upcoming Bentley Continental GT. Performance will be blistering with a sub-4-second 100 km/h sprint and a top speed in excess of 300 km/h. This will be achieved through Audi's latest technology, four-wheel drive and the latest 8-speed S-tronic gearbox. Expect Audi Sport to cram in all of the technological advances we saw during the official launch of the standard A7 models. Some are anticipating Audi Sport moving into the hybrid market with the version of the Audi RS7 using the hybrid setup currently fitted to the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE hybrid. In the RS7, such a setup could produce in excess of 700 horsepower.